Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about using the Phoenix Public Library resources for research. One of the things we're actually going to research two things in this class. We're going to research your industry, and then we're also going to do some marketing research as well. So the first thing I wanted to show you is Phoenix Public Library and what it has to offer. And there's quite a bit of information, so I'm going to do this over a series of videos. So this video, I'm just going to talk about what the Phoenix Public Library has to offer, and then we'll go on and talk about how you can actually access the information. So as you know, there's a library located on the South Mountain Community College campus, and it's the South Mountain Community Library. And along with that, we have access to some databases that the public may not necessarily know about or have. And so let's get into it and talk about it. So if you go into this icon, the e-library, it will take you to another screen, and then we're going to talk about e-resources A to Z. So e-resources A to Z, it gives you access to a number of databases that you can access with your public library card. So the trick here is, as a student of South Mountain, your public library card is actually your MEID number, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. I just want to talk about some of the resources that are available to help you with your research. And there's some things in here that you may have wanted to play around with and didn't know about, like Ancestry.com. Who knew you could access Ancestry.com to do genealogical research with your library card, or in this case, your MEID number. So grants, I know we're not covering nonprofits in this class, but there's a number of different resources out there that allows grant seekers to research what's available to them. Arizona Republic, lots and lots of different things. Consumer reports, if you want to look at, if you're creating a product and you want to talk about a product. Another one of the things out here is this Foundation Directory Online, again, for grant type of information. But some of the big things that are on here are Hoover. So Hoover's, that gives you information on both public and private companies and their executives, a little bit of information. But I'm going to show you guys some really cool tricks that we're going to use with Reference USA. Morningstar is another one that is used for business research. New York Times. So when you're researching your industry, we're going to use Reference USA Business in a few minutes. But when you're researching your industry, it's very important that you be able to cite your sources and that you use definitive information from reputable sources. So with that, here we are, and next video, I'll come back and we'll talk about how you actually access some of these databases and what's inside of them. Okay? See you soon.